Hi guys, it's me on here, and today we're gonna do like part 2 and I'm gonna have another part 3 for my morning routine. So, well, hashtag afternoon routine for now. So I want to put you guys right there. My lights are turned off, by the way, but this everything isn't. Okay, so we're gonna do my makeup right now. Just gotta be careful not to get that pimple patch. I don't know if you guys could see it, but yeah, there's a pimple patch. This happened because of that. I think I put too much. Yeah, I didn't put it right here. I put it right there. Then put it on my cheekbone. That's the problem. Now, I forgot how to like rub it in, but I'm just gonna. Cause that's so bad. Okay, that's kind of good. I need Touchland hand sanitizer. So just put in Touchland hand sanitizer right there. So now we're gonna be doing this. I'm gonna put some highlighter on my nose. I think that's enough. Then I'm gonna put some on my finger. I don't know. Ooh, why do I look so sleepy? I think I just... Okay, whatever. Guys, we're gonna clean up this bar right at the bottom. Okay, hold on. I did not do this. Let me just... I slowly release it because this part right here, it pinched my skin like 100 times and it hurt real bad. So, and the hardest part is my right. Oh, ow. My right eye. Because I just can't get it. So you're supposed to, well, I'm waiting 20 seconds instead of 10 or 10 or 5 seconds because close my eyelashes more than 10. I tried 10 last time. Didn't work that well for me, in my opinion. So next time I'm gonna be showing you, well, next part is gonna be of what I'm gonna wear. Bye guys. Or you know what, just, well, I have one more thing to show you guys. I have to go grab it though, but I'm just gonna clean up this real quick. This right there. These two. You can literally tell by this one's broken and it doesn't have a lot because I used it a bunch of times. You could tell this one's in brand. Ooh, whoops, my bad. Brand new. Okay, let's put the mascaras back to where they belong. And this blush. Guys, I'm gonna put on this lip balm. perfect. I think my sister likes this because when I just put it on my lips, it literally it was wet. Ew. Tastes like, I mean, this smells like cereal. It's like, this smells like cereal. Okay, let's just do a quick put away thing part. Where I'm just putting away this, and it takes like pretty short. It's a pretty short time. It takes me about like a minute to put everything back to how it was. Unless I can't find something, then it's gonna take you like 5 minutes. So right there in that corner. I need a new skincare organizer because this one's really small, but I still like it. It's just small. Okay, I'm done, guys. That's under a minute. Now, I'm gonna go grab something while you guys just stand there. You know what? I want to show you guys. Okay, you know what? You guys could just... There, I'll put something on while you guys... Well, I do go grab something. It'll be quick. I'm gonna go grab something. Actually, I'm gonna grab the clothes. I'm gonna grab my clothes and put them in. I'm gonna go change in the bathroom. So while you guys wait, I'm just gonna put on. Let's just do Disney now. That was for my little cousin, but I made an account when I was little, so I know it's weird. This is my account, but it's really bad. I'm just gonna let you guys watch. Let's just do Descendants. Episode 1.
With all the royals, yeah. You know it. And they learn a few things. Things more than just a pretty face. Mostly about themselves. I just really wanted to be proud of them. Leave my friends alone! After Mal turns her mom from a dragon into a lizard, it's decided. Aren't you good, you guys?
In Descendants 1, we leave the audience with us being happily in order.
But now, 6 months later, it seems things have changed. The opening number of the movie called Ways to Be With You, and we poison them with poison apples. It's such a cool way to start off the movie because it is such a huge wait. What? Yes, like this is exactly how I would imagine we would pick back up.
Okay, guys, I'm back. These pants are so tight. These black ones, I don't like it. They're really tight. I'm gonna go to my grandma.
Zombified Oradon kid. It was so much fun for me. It's chaos and madness and evil ruling the world at this moment.
My favorite character in Descendants is Evie. She's very stylish and she's very unique and has her own thing.
I'm so excited. Okay, here we go.
I have an opening for Thing at 3. Who wants it?
Perfect. I'll take you later. I love Evie in this movie. I fell in love with Evie the first time around. Hi, guys. She was raised to believe that she needed a boy to give her happiness. In this movie, Evie's living her dream. She's a fashion designer. She's a businesswoman. When I look at you, all I can think of is fake fur. She designs everyone's wardrobe, so she's in her element, but she also designs her own wardrobe. I am officially Evie. She's so happy.
Okay. Well, these pants are my sister's now. Gotta go change. Forgot about that. Okay, guys, I gotta go change again in the bathroom.
What do you like most about your character?
I like the fact that he's smart. I think he's witty.
He's clever, yeah.
Yeah, he's a little clever. Carlos is starting to fall for a girl. To get out. Friends. Dude is my right-hand man. I say you're leaning over my shoulder. Dude and I sort of look alike. I'll make the puppy dog face.
Look alike? Have you noticed their wardrobe?
Matching clothes with your pet. athletic. He's always in sports. I kick Jay's butt here, so. Yeah, Jay's evolution is definitely becoming an older brother figure.
He's the nicest person.
I'm back. Okay, so these
I think the BKs are closer than ever. They're friends with the stronger.
these pants, these Ari pants, they're so cool.
It's now a family.
I'm gonna try and show you guys.
I am so excited to be shooting Descendants 2. I'm here with Sarah. I'm here with
Here they are.
Everybody always asks me what it's like to play
Now,
a evil character.
let's go and do my top.
We sort of start pretty early on with the drama. Everybody wants me to be this lady at the court, and I have no idea how to keep up the act. There's never a moment where Mal is just kicking it. It's absolutely delicious. This is one of the best interviews I've ever had. You were killing me. It's really weird being back here.
Don't get in and get out. We're in the Isle of the Lost. Look at this place.
It's so cool.
The biggest thing that people wanted to see from
Boom. Hold on, I don't know.
And D2 gives you a look at the owl like never before.
Let me put this down a little so then you guys can see my whole outfit. So that's my top, guys. And this is my bottom. Hold on. That's how low you guys are gonna go. Hold on. Sorry guys, but that's the lowest you guys could go, I think. I'm gonna stand on my tiptoes so you guys can see.
Really special to kind of see and explore that world.
Yeah. Okay, so I feel really good right now, and I'm not gonna wear the white socks because they're gonna get dirty. So let me just pull you guys back up. I wonder. I think that's high enough. That's high enough, guys. Okay. Go in here, guys. Now, Salt de Janeiro. Let's put it in my face.
Disney's Descendants 2 takes us back to
Mm.
the Isle of the Lost. With all new songs, incredible sets, and a whole group of new characters.
Hey, I'm Anna Cathcart, and I play Disney in Descendants 2. I love Disney Descendants, and I'm living my
Oh my, I tried to do that thing where the other people do it like that. Oh, that's so dumb. I just put it on my face. What is it gonna do? My face is red. I don't know what it's gonna do with my face. So, oh my god, it gets in my mouth. It probably kind of stinks.
of Descendants 2.
You can stick a tiara on a villain, but you're still a villain.
And that was your time. So I'm not gonna show you guys. Oh, it's a native, by the way.
She loves getting her way. She's very sassy, just like your mother.
China McLean is an amazing person in real life.
I feel like Uma is a little bit misunderstood, but she is also very maniacal.
Oh, it's still on.
Because Uma's entrance is crazy.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna wear my black Ari pants tomorrow, or these if they get clean. Okay. One of these is my sister's and one of these are mine. So this one's my sister. Hold on a minute. Okay. And let's get back to what we were trying to do. Oh, ow, no, ow, ow. Let me go get a hairbrush. Okay, guys, found the hairbrush. I put water on it, like always. Some people would say it's bad to put on water. I don't know. One of my friends said it's bad to put water on the hairbrush, but it helps my hair. It helps my hair not tangled and it doesn't hurt when I do it. So guys, I'm gonna put on a necklace. Okay, I'm just gonna set the I'll be back. Guys, I don't know what I was gonna wear, but my sister made me this. I'm gonna set this because I only wear this for a day. I'm gonna set it.
Hi guys.
I'm gonna set this for tomorrow too. Oh, show your new legs. No.
These are my new Uggs shoes. I mean, not shoes. Slippers, I think.
Be careful. You kicked it.
Yeah, I'm like,
Where's the mama?
I don't know. We should have set up the one notch.
I'm putting this back in this drawer. Everything is everything's clean, guys. Everything. What? There was something that. Oh yes, the necklaces. This tree. Let's just set it down there because welcome to my jewelry box, people.
Sika. Mamma 같이 있어가 давайте 다시면 되는
Okay, guys, this is my little ring bracelet, this spinning ring bracelet. Slay. No, stop, не corta the cord.
Uggs slay. Hi guys.
Okay, guys, let's go with me.
Don't talk to me because I don't want to be like a
No, don't turn it off. That's waste of.
stuff. Don't talk.
Guys, what should I wear? So I only picked this ring out, but it's
Where are you going?
nothing, nowhere. Just okay. You know what, guys? I found one that I'm just gonna wear. I'm just gonna wear this one. This. Na zdrowie. I feel like my stomach hurts now.
What?
Okay, guys, that's it for. Oh, that's gold. Okay, guys, so that is it for today's video. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna wear this tonight. Även Tata.
Ja. Jag vill köpa dig 20 för att dricka mer.
Sada? Kar?
Idag är mer.
Say to.
Hon är 20 fotboll.
No! Taco Tree is singing up. There's supposed to be 2 controllers.
Den ja.
And the cockroach is not Clay Moy. It's only my baby.
Sen.
Oh. Okay, check out. Guys, my cousin wants me to play one of these soccer games. But I don't know if I want to play or not. I need to set. So guys, for today, I'm just gonna keep this in my room, and this cute little snow globe in my room, and maybe this could go in one of my drawers for my Christmas. But these 2, I'm for sure keeping, and maybe this one too. But the problem is where am I gonna put it? Okay, let's put the Christmas tree there. I feel like we should take down the Christmas tree because it's just taking up my room. But I don't know. Okay, guys, yeah. Goodbye. Wait, hold on. See you guys tomorrow. I'm holding the camera now. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you tomorrow or even today. Bye.